This is what a bad shifter bushing looks like. And that's while it's in gear. And with new bushings, there's actually no bushings before. 10 times better. Woo!